Hello guys, today I have Victorinox Huntsman. This is cool little guy, not very little but mid-sized, 91 millimeters if I am not mistaken. This guy has a lot of tools. This is can opener with small Phillips head screwdriver. It has a bottle opener as well as flathead screwdriver and a wire stripper tool. Also big nice scissors, which is very strong and useful, especially in the forest, in the woods, where you need to fix some equipment. You can use it for cutting some patches for tents and like that. Also we have here awesome wooden saw. Works very good like Leatherman saw. Also we have one big knife and one little knife. Both of them are very sharp. On the back side we have bottle opener like corkscrew, some awl with a hole for some thread, and originally this tool is for package carrying like so, but I find it very useful with taking tent pegs from the ground and also making some knots to tie them. As all Victorinox, it has toothpick and tweezers, of course. I have another model from Victorinox. It is Spartan. And I have Spartan, this one, Huntsman, and Pioneer, I think, with aluminum alloy handles. So if you are interested seeing them, please comment down below in the comment section, and I'll make another video where I will compare all three of them, and maybe we'll do some tests with saw, with scissors and other tools. So make sure to comment down if you are interested. Please subscribe to my channel, hit like or dislike, whatever you want, and see you soon next time. Bye.